What's up, guys? My name is Schaefer. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to unbox the Visio Smart TV. Well, it's not 3D or anything like that, but it's 24-inch. Kind of like that TV, but Decided I'll just do this unboxing video real quick. And it is all this stuff. Sorry, it's my sister. She loves that boy. Anyway, so, yeah, there it is. It's smart TV. Yeah, it cost me $200. And my own smart. Yeah, guys. Had to pay for it. So let me just. And yeah, you're gonna need like a knife or a pocket knife or something like that. I am using a pocket knife in this thing. I really shouldn't be doing this, but. Like a lot of unboxing videos out there, but I just wanted to make my own. I hope I get over 1 million views or something like that. But listen to that, man. I hope this doesn't affect the TV at all. TV came all the way from Illinois, man. I got it shipped here on Amazon. TV's traveled a long way. Hope it's not broken or anything like that. And I really hope it's not fake. If I go crazy, will you stop to call me Superman? Yeah, guys, I like that song. I heard it for the first time in years yesterday. Then I finally, thanks to my friend. To my sister. Anyway, back to the unboxing video. There you go, finally. Yeah, so pull out the main TV itself. You're gonna have to use these two to keep it open, and there you go. So you guys see that it's not fake. There's the plug for it, the remote. I bet this is the smart TV itself. As you can with any more cables, like a free HDMI cable or something like that. That'd be awesome. But no, I think this is the main TV itself. Yep, yes it is, and it should come with one of those freaking stand-up thingies. There's the TV, and there's the top of it, there's the bottom of it. Well, I might put it out, but where's the freaking stand-up thingies? No, I'm gonna pull out the TV to show you guys. There's the stand for it. Okay, the TV itself out. And you guys haven't. I'm not gonna pull the whole thing out because it might fall. So there you go. Really dangerous thing. Violent weapon plug. My God, this is my cable box plug. I have cable box and peace out, suckers.